So welcome to Knowledge Exchange Goa by Elets Technomedia. We are on the second day today, and today we have with us Mr. B.N. Satpathy, who is a Senior Advisor, Niti Aayog of Government of India. So the first question that we would like to put up to you, IT is one key aspect which has been adopted across the sector and industries in the country. So how do you perceive it, or how do you perceive this evolvement of IT in the Indian infrastructure?
IT is a transformational technology. It pervades all sectors of the economy. In the 12th Five-Year Plan, there has been adequate emphasis on IT. Currently in Niti Aayog, we are trying to evolve various models where IT could impact the economy, the society, and can make transformational changes.
Sir, would you please share with us some key projects in the pipeline of Niti Aayog which would emphasize on intensive use of IT and its implication?
Currently in Niti Aayog, we have been implementing, as you all know, the UID scheme, which is a mega scheme of the government. In addition to that, in the Union Budget 2015-16, two new schemes have been announced. There is the Atal Innovation Mission, and the second is the self-employment and talent utilization is the other scheme. Both the schemes have IT as a lever, and they will bring about, as the name of Niti suggests, transformation in the way innovation is done, in the way self-employment is created in this country. And in addition to that, the Government of India has already announced the digital initiative, Digital India, which has already been discussed. There have been many pillars of this initiative, and one of the most important pillars is the initiative taken by for good governance through applications of IT.
So today on this forum of Knowledge Exchange Goa Summit, we at Elets Technomedia have taken the endeavor to bring all the key stakeholders and the government policymakers under one roof, and to bring in a suitable session or suitable sessions of discussion through which we were a learner. Sir, would you like to share your comments or feedback on the same?
It has many rich sessions yesterday and today also. The sessions which were discussed, the topics which were discussed in yesterday's sessions relate to the applications of IT in different sectors of the economy. Today, the government of Goa has released the draft IT policy, which is a landmark. And in the coming sessions, there will be discussions on the topic of M-governance as well, and the emerging opportunities in e-governance. I just wanted to say that this forum of ELTS is very important, because e-governance is not something which will happen overnight, and it is a continuous effort of the government to improve governance, improve delivery of services by applications of IT. And in that direction, the Digital India of the Government of India is the right platform for launching all the initiatives. And the ELTS, by assimilating all the verticals of IT in this forum, has been very useful for all stakeholders to carry the message that e-governance is going to happen, is happening, and will continue to enrich our lives.